Now see exercise 3.2. In that we have done the graph of first sum, right? ग्राफ मैंने सिखा दिया है उसका. The sum is from the heading is from the pair of linear equations in the following problem. Following problem के क्या बना दो? Form a pair of linear equation and find their solution graphically. First we have to form their algebraic equation, okay? Let us assume that problem क्या है? Problem number 1 is 10 students of a class, standard 10, took part in mathematics quiz. Okay? If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of girls, number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Now here let number of boys are x, okay? Then number of boys are, number of girls are, suppose y. So my first equation is, total is 10, so x plus y is 10. This is my first algebraic expression. Second is y is x plus 4. Number of girls, y is 4 more than boys. So x minus y is plus 4 is 0. Number 2. Now to solve geometrically or graphically, draw the graph. And we have drawn their graphs. याद करो, last lecture में I have drawn the graphs and my solution was, recall the things. What was the solution? Tell me. याद करो, याद करो, याद करो. What was the solution? I show you the graph. The solution was x is 3 and y is 7. याद आया? I have formed the table x 0, then y 10, y 0, then x 10, 10 0 and 0 10 में से पास होता है x plus y is 10 and minus 4 0 and 0 4 में से पास होता है another equation, graph of another equation, both intersect at 3 7. It was not exact, but I told you that if you draw with graph paper, in graph paper you will get exact answer. So x is 3. If I solve them, I will get x is 3 and y is 7, okay? I verify also. X is 3 and y is 7. याद आया? If I put x is 3 and y is 7, x plus y is 10, and x is 3 and y is 7, then x minus y plus 4 is also 0. Clear? So this sum we have done it in last lecture, okay? First sum का हमने first sum कर दिया था, मगर इसका graph already we have drawn, okay? Now see, first, second, third we completed. Now fourth sum of exercise 2.4 or 3.4 is 3.2. Which of the following pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent? If consistent, पहले चेक करो which of the following pair are consistent. अगर वो consistent है, if consistent, obtain the solution graphically. मतलब you are supposed to draw graph of consistent equation, okay? Now fourth का जो first है, pair of equation are x plus y is 5 and 2x plus 2y is 10. Look here. Here a1 by a2 is b1 by b2 is c1 by c2. Clear? So dependent equation. And you know dependent equation graphs are coincident. Coincident. So naturally, how many solution? Every point on the line representing graph, representing linear equation. Every point on line representing linear equation is the solution. इसका ग्राफ अगर आप ड्रॉ भी करोगे ना, तो दोनों का टेबल एक ही आएगा. देखो x प्लस वाई इज 5, टू वैल्यूज ले लो, x0 तो y5 एंड y0 तो x5. दूसरे में भी ले लो, 2x प्लस 2y इज 10. इसमें भी दे दो, x0 y5 y0. So you will draw same graph. Graphs are coincident. So it is consistent but dependent. So dependent के लिए we need not to find out any solution. Okay? Infinite number of solution. Now second, see it is x minus y is 8 and 3x minus 3y is 16. Here also you see a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but not c1 by c2. Check करो. Therefore, ग्राफ बनाओगे तो लाइन्स आर पैरेलल. So equation are inconsistent, and inconsistent में कोई solution तो होता नहीं है. No solution. So here you need not to draw the graph. Okay? They said if they consistent, then you solve it graphically. It is not consistent. Third sum. Sum is 2x plus y minus 6 is 0. And another is 4x minus 2y minus 4 is 0. So, look here. Here, आप करके देखो. A1 by A2 is not B1 by B2. So naturally equation are consistent, okay? Therefore, you draw graph of, here graph, if you draw the graph intersect each other at one point only. So we have a unique solution at unique point, okay? So as you know, you take two values of what? You take two solution of each equation, okay? In order to draw the graph. X, y, x0, so y will be 6 because your equation is 2x plus y is 6. So x is 0, y will be 6 and y is 0, x will be 3, 2x is 3. For another equation, 4x minus 2y minus 4 is 0. इसका reduce form आएगा 2x minus y is equal to 2. Clear? So इसका table आएगा x0 तो y is minus 2, right? And y is 0, so x will be 1. Clear? Now you can draw the graph, right? Where them intersect, that will be your point of intersection. So you can draw graph by your own. Okay? Now for sum. See, third and fourth का graph you draw by your own, okay? 2x minus 2y minus 2 मैं कंडीशन चेक करके देती हूँ आपको. 4x minus 4y minus 5 0 लो. इसका आएगा x minus y minus 1 is 0 reduce form. इसका आएगा x minus y minus 5 by 4 0. क्या आया? इधर तो दोनों लाइन पैरेलल आ गई. So a1 by a2 is b1 by b2 is not c1 by c2. So equations are inconsistent. क्या? Inconsistent को तो आपको ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना ही नहीं है. They ask you to solve if equation are consistent. So graphs are parallel, no solution. So only sum number 3 you are supposed to do by your own. I have given the table, everything is ready. Right? They have unique solution. Draw the graph and get the point of intersection. Okay? Now see you are given third sum. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meters more than its width is 36 meters. जैसे half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meters more than its width is 36 meters. मतलब semi perimeter, half the perimeter मतलब semi perimeter is 36 meters. Find the dimension of dimensions of the garden. Here they did not ask you to solve geometrically. I can solve it algebraically. Clear? They did not ask you to solve it geometrically. Let width is x meter. Right? So naturally length will be x plus 4. आ गया sum. Now half the perimeter. Half the perimeter of rectangular garden is nothing but L plus B. L is x plus x and L is, B is X. L is X plus 4. So it is X plus 4 is 36. Matlab 2X plus 4 is 36. So 2X is 32. So X is 16. So width is 16 and length is X plus 4. So 16 plus 4. So length is 20 meter and width is 16 meter. Now the remaining sum, 1 or 2 sum of 3.2, where you have to take the help of ratio and you have to check whether they are consistent or not consistent, whether they intersect in one point or they are parallel, right? So I think 3.2 ke remaining sum, 1 or 2 sum, you can do it in your check yourself, okay? Right?